Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the No Cuboids puzzle by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame through this tiny opening. This puzzle has 9 parts, 5 bigger pieces and 4 smaller. And at the first glance, it might look that it is impossible to fit all of them inside of this small box. But believe me, there's enough space. And once you find the solution, you will see that it's really elegant and nice, beautiful solution. And I think it might be inspired by Dr. Volker Latušek, at least in my opinion, since some of the moves are definitely inspired by puzzles from Dr. Volker Latušek. If you like the No Cuboids puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, we have to find the correct position of each and every piece inside the box, and it will look the following way. These 2 longer pieces will be on the bottom, these 2 on the side. Then we add 1 piece in the middle. These 2 pieces will be here, and these 2 parts will be right here. And only like so we can put everything inside the frame. But here is an interesting part. Once you start putting everything inside, you will find that it looks impossible. I'll explain. I'll start with these 2 pieces, or maybe these 2. This goes in and to the left. This one also goes in to the left. Then I can put this part and drop down. Then I can put this part and drop down as well. The next one will be this piece. And once you put it inside, you won't be able to fit this long part. But you have to figure out the way how to do so. And here is a little trick. The previous piece that you put inside, it's not supposed to be in the middle. Put it all the way to this wall of the frame. And now there is a little bit of space inside where you can drop this piece and then put it inside. The same with the other one. You put it in and drop it inside. Now tilt the box to the left so that all parts will go to this side. And now you have just enough space to fit both of these parts. And the puzzle is solved. All 9 pieces are inside of the box. To remove them, you have to start with small parts. Then you remove this piece, but now tilt the box to the right so that all parts will go to the right. And you will create a little bit of space here in the middle. Then you push on this piece and lift it up. Tilt the box, remove the second piece in exactly the same manner. Then you grab the middle piece and you can remove it from the box, like so. Hey. Oh, it's not easy to remove it now. Wait a second. Just hold it and remove. Oh, it is moving. It's tricky to remove it. Okay. Another try. Yep, it's done. Then there are 2 options. You can remove either longer parts or smaller parts. It depends on you. I'll do the longer parts, I guess. Oh no, maybe it's easier to remove the smaller parts. And then you can remove the rest 2 parts and the puzzle is solved both ways. So that was the solution of the No Cuboids puzzle. As you can see, quite an interesting solution with the trick with a piece in the middle. That is the part which reminds me a little bit of the puzzles from Dr. Volker Latušek. Great puzzle, great solution, very beautiful one. And if you like the No Cuboids puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.